Dear students, we are going to discuss about the different modes of vibration when a string fixed at both ends. In the last lecture, it is already discussed when a string is fixed at the two ends and it is vibrate, the stationary wave is formed, and the equation of stationary wave is already derived, and the equation was y equal to minus 2r sine 2 pi x by lambda cos of 2 pi vt by lambda. This is the equation. Now, if the string is fixed at this point and at this point, so at this point there will be no vibration, and at this point also there will be no vibration. So here y will be 0, here also y will be 0. Here x equal to 0, x equal to 0. So what will be? Y will also be, you see, sin 0 0, so y will be 0. So this is clearly satisfied. They at the origin, the spring has no displacement. Now at this point x equal to L, x equal to L. So what will be the equation? Y equal to 2r sine 2 pi L by lambda cos of 2 pi vt by lambda. Now at this point also there will be no displacement, so y must be 0. So y must be 0. Y 0, what does it mean? This term should be 0. So y 0 means sine of 2 pi L by lambda equal to 0. Sine 0 means sine of n pi. N is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this way. Sine 0, 0, sine pi 0, sine 2 pi 0, sine 3 pi 0. So this is the general formula. So what is, from this one, what we are getting? 2 pi L by lambda equal to n pi. Pi cancel. So from this what we are getting? L equal to n lambda by 2. This. What is n? N equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, like this. Okay. Now, here we are not using 0, because if you put 0, then L will be 0, but we have taken some length, so we are not using this. 1, 2, 3, like this. Okay. Now you see, for first mode of vibration, means this case. For first mode of vibration, n equal to 1. So put here, if n equal to 1 and lambda is lambda 1, so what we are getting? L equal to lambda 1 by 2. 1 into lambda 1 by 2 means lambda 1 by 2. Here you see L equal to lambda 1 by 2. So this is the figure for first mode of vibration. From here what we are getting? Lambda 1 equal to 2L. 2L. So what will be the frequency? What are this? What will be the frequency? Frequency nu 1 equal to V by lambda 1. So V by 2L. V by 2L. This is the frequency. This is the fundamental frequency or first harmonic. First harmonic. Now question is, what is V? V equal to root T by M. So what is the expression? Nu 1 equal to 1 by 2L root over of T by M. This is the fundamental frequency or first harmonic of a stress string when it is vibrating. First mode of vibration, fundamental frequency of a stress string. Fundamental frequency nu1 equal to 1 by 12 root over T by n. For second mode of vibration, I am writing this digital here. Second mode, of vibration, n equal to 2. So if you put here n equal to 2, lambda equal to lambda 2, so 2 cancel lambda 2, n equal to lambda 2. Here you see, this is the second one, lambda 2. So what will be nu2? Nu2 equal to V by lambda 2. So V by L. It can be written as like this way, 2V by 2L. Now what is this? V by 12. V by 12 means nu1. So twice nu1. Nu2 equal to twice nu1. That means कि nu2 is हम multiple of nu1. So this is the second harmonic. This is the second harmonic or first overtone. What is overtone? Overtone is the frequency which is multiple of the fundamental frequency. Overtone is a frequency which is the multiple of the fundamental frequency. So this is the this frequency is multiple of fundamental frequency, but this is first multiple. So this is the first overtone. This is the second harmonic or first overtone. Second harmonic or first overtone. For third mode of vibration, what we will get? N equal to 3. So here 3 lambda 3 by 2. 3 lambda 3 by 2. From this what we are getting? L equal to 3 lambda 3 by 2. So from this we are getting lambda 3 equal to 2L by 3. Now what is nu3? V by lambda 3. So if you put this value, so thrice V by 2L. But what is V by 12 is nu1. V by 12 is nu1. So this is thrice nu1. So this is the third harmonic or second overtone. Third harmonic or second overtone. We have got first harmonic or fundamental frequency, second harmonic twice nu1, third harmonic thrice nu1. In this way we will get for n L equal to, it will be n lambda n by 2. So lambda n equal to 12 by n. So nu n equal to, what we will get? It will be, from this you see, nu n means V by this. So V by this, that means n V by 12. But what is V by 12? Nu1. So this is n nu1. So fundamental frequency is nu1. This is equal to 1 by 12 root over T by m. Second harmonic is the twice nu1. Second harmonic, this is the first overtone. Third harmonic is thrice nu1. This is the second overtone. And this is the nth harmonic or n minus 1 overtone. Overtone is decreasing by 1. Second harmonic, first overtone. So 1 decrease. Third harmonic, second overtone. So nth harmonic means n minus 1 over 2. Clear? Now we are getting nodes and antinodes. Nodes means, here you see, nodes. Nodes means minimum amplitude. That means where the string has minimum vibration. So in this case, this is node, this is node. Clear? And in this case, node, node, node. In this case, node, 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 node. And another term is antinode. Antinode means maximum amplitude. So there is maximum amplitude. String has maximum amplitude. Maximum amplitude, maximum amplitude means antinode, 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 antinode. Clear? But what is the expression for? To find the distance where the antinode will be obtained. L equal to L lambda by 2. So this is x. X equal to L lambda by 2. So when n equal to 0, you will get node. So when n equal to 0, you will get node. When n equal to 1, if you put n equal to 1, then lambda by 2. So you are getting lambda by 2 or lambda by 2, you are getting lambda. So when n equal to 0, x equal to 0, n equal to 1, x equal to lambda by 2, lambda by 2. And when n equal to 2, x equal to lambda. So you see this lambda. So in this way, if you put 3 like this way, you will get the position of nodes. And position of antinodes is the node. Node. Antinode जहाँ पे मैक्सिमम एम्पलीट्यूड होगा. दिस इज x इक्वल टू 1 प्लस हाफ लैम्डा बाई 2, n प्लस हाफ लैम्डा बाई 2, n प्लस हाफ लैम्डा बाई 2. In this position, there will be antinode. You put n equal to 0. If you put n equal to 0, then x equal to lambda by 4. Lambda by 4. Here you see, if this is lambda by 2, so this is lambda by 4. So we are getting lambda by 4. When n equal to 1, then x equal to what you get? 1 plus half means 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means 3 lambda by 4. 3 lambda by 4. 3 lambda by 4. This is lambda by 2. This is lambda by 4. Lambda by, yes, lambda by 2. This is lambda by 4. Lambda by 2 plus lambda by 4. What we are getting? 3 lambda by 4. 3 lambda by 4. So in this way, you will get the position of the antinode. To find node, the formula is x equal to n lambda by 2. Put n equal to 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. You will get the position of node. And to find antinode, you have to use the formula x equal to n plus 1, n plus half lambda by 2. If you put n equal to 0, 1, 2 like this way, you will get the position of the antinode. Node means जहाँ पे string का vibration minimum, that means कि its displacement will be minimum. Its displacement will be minimum. This is the node, position of node. And where the displacement of the vibrating string is maximum, this is the antinode. So node, antinode, node, node, antinode, node, antinode, node. Like this way you will get. And you can easily find by calculating this formula. Okay? ठीक से पढ़ना. ठीक से पढ़ने से दिमाग खुलेगा, अच्छा रिजल्ट होगा, फ्यूचर ब्राइट होगा. सो यू हैव टू स्टडी प्रॉपर्ली. ठीक से पढ़ना. to achieve the goal, the clue is you have to study properly. Don't kill your time. Okay, bye.